Staff Selection Commission conducts SSC GD exam to recruit candidates for the general duty posts of BSF, CISF, ITBP, CRPF, rifleman, etc. Every year, thousands of vacancies are filled for both male and female through SSC GD exam. Today, we will talk about SSC GD exam for various government posts. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the SSC GD exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for SSC GD exam. The general age limit for SSC GD exam is 18 to 23 years. For SCs or ST, there is a relaxation in the upper age limit by 5 years, and for OBC candidates, it is 3 years. Candidates must have passed class 10th or any other equivalent exam with an affiliated board. Now we will discuss the exam pattern for SSC GD exam. The exam is conducted for 100 marks with time duration of 90 minutes. The exam paper is divided into 5 sections: elementary mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, English and Hindi. Each section contains 25 questions or 25 marks. The questions will be of multiple choice and contain negative marking for every wrong attempt. Each question carries 2 marks and 1/4 of mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. The link of the entire syllabus is given in the description below. Now let us talk about a few tips and tricks for the SSC GD exam. Make a practical timetable and prepare according to it. Work on reasoning questions and revise basic mathematics for elementary mathematics section. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Read newspaper editorials regularly to improve your English. Youth for Work provides Prep Guru app for free mock test. Use it for your regular practice. The link of the app is given in the description below.